The heavy raindrop or the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank is not stopping the buyers from showing up at the open house. Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38, and this week's market update, we always start with what's active in the market. We have 502 total actives. Finally, we are touching the 500 mark. We are also 414 pendings. Of course, that has pretty much doubled from the first week of January, although the level of actives that we're seeing today is typically when we see it just right around mid-February. So we are continuing to see lack of inventory. At this level, we should see about 650, not 500. So we are going to continue to see low activity. However, we're seeing this good sentiment, positive sentiment from sellers that are saying, my neighbor's house is actually finally selling within a week, and they're not waiting for another month or two before they can actually see an offer after multiple drops. You're also seeing right now that January was a very strong market, meaning you saw homes that sold very quickly, homes that were on the market that were sitting, that got an offer, and they also got pricing that was a bit higher, about 5% higher than November or December pending, which is of course January sold versus January pending, February sold. So you're seeing that kind of activity. People are saying, is this the right time to enter? Are we going up again? As I promised you, 2023, we are going to see an increased activity the first couple of months due to lack of inventory. We will see increased inventory, and we'll actually continue to see that as we head into the spring months. If you're getting ready to enter the market, you should reach out. We'll guide you through this process. 408-515-1613. We'll look forward to connect. Bye-bye now.